In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Volume Oscillator quick and easy guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to bring the Volume Oscillator onto your Tradingview chart so you can start using volume momentum in your analysis right away. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and you have a chart open for any market you want to analyze, whether that's stocks, crypto, forex, or something else. Once your chart is up on the screen, look toward the top toolbar. You'll see an option labeled Indicators. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Tradingview keeps all the built-in tools and scripts that you can add to your charts. When you click Indicators, a new window or panel will appear. At the top of this panel, you'll find a search bar. This search bar is the fastest way to find any specific tool without scrolling through long lists. Click into the search bar and start typing the word volume. As you type, Tradingview will automatically filter the results below to show anything related to volume. You'll see a list of indicators appear, usually starting with some of the most commonly used volume tools. Take a moment to scan the list and look specifically for Volume Oscillator. It should be labeled clearly. If you don't see it right away, just make sure you've typed the word volume correctly and that you're looking under the built-in indicators section, not the community scripts. Once you locate Volume Oscillator in the list, simply click on it one time. The moment you click, Tradingview will add the Volume Oscillator to your current chart. You'll typically see it appear in a separate panel underneath the main price chart, displayed as a line that moves above and below a central level. From here, you can start using it right away or customize it if you'd like. To tweak settings such as the short and long volume moving averages or the colors, hover over the Volume Oscillator panel, click the settings icon, and adjust anything that fits your trading style. Remember, you can always reset to default if you change your mind. If you're planning to use indicators like this frequently, consider upgrading to a paid Tradingview plan using the affiliate link in the description. It can unlock more indicators on a single chart, additional alerts, and other features that make technical analysis smoother and more efficient. That's all you need to do to add the Volume Oscillator on Tradingview. Follow these simple steps, experiment with the settings, and integrate it into your existing strategy to get more insight from volume behavior.